Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Mat bakong san mentar ke sengi Shillong. Depat ba ke kong RM kurba ia ke jingpen itanat di ke Shillong umpling. Siar Jylla di neki aksiden kali bat kiaru ban penjenjari piway. Palat 100% neki nongwan tamasa cherry blossom Dana Shabar Jylla. Batda ke bicycle ride penpriang Khubor yada mariang ke office DSO nompo. Bat mentani pa syaki Khubor bakam dunia. Ke Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills kong RM Kurba hakajan mit jong ke arpau terik Naiwieng arjar arpusan kelepli pat ba ik jingshna pen itenat hapo ke Shillong umpling dong shaneng baletip hagaktin paring kum ke locality beautification and enhancement competition project. Kini ke jingshna pen itanat hagi Shillong kitau kadi ke skim baka sorkar Meghalaya kala ai shikidor bar Shillong lingba kitanat tourism and urban affairs. Kejing temu jong kini ke skim kalong ban ai mensim ye ki Shillong kinong shong Shillong ban pen itanat i ki Shillong bat kum juru ha kejing khot jing suba. Ha kini ke janmet belepli pat ba ye kejing shna pen itanat lathung ru ikiding da ke kongsan kong RM Kurba IAS Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills ba Peter T Pasa ADC bat urang ba Shillong umpling ba SF Pingrop bat la sakhilang de kinongkit kam Shillong ki pat ba bat ki Samla. Haba ai jingkren hakini ke jingelang ke kong Kurba ke layaro e ke Shillong umpling namar ba kilepin i ye ke jingya teli bat ke loong ru ke jingbo i ki tiar tenrai hakite nat ke don jingmut ban penne pensa ya ke min barim bat kilong ki bakit jingmut bha hakini ke jok pementa
nakaliang jong simet hi ngasum it ma but kawai tu kalong ngai i pakadan ka unity hakani ka Shillong ai ko play ru iki rang ba dong baro asam dong ki badan hang ni i rang ba dong jong kani ka kli Shillong i balakren menne kumjo ru i ba rodrik badan hang ni bala pensah pang project i khon jong i bala brain child jong i ketika bengi i bat bala play matas ni ya iba tais kemo kermen keding ta ibala ai ketika sembo berkat ketika kentien mo ba kya tho ba namar ba kejat bridge ni si ang ketien ke Batam ndai kata kalau ke ek balas damja nila ya bot teneng ya kiwe teng inde nim tho lut purai ke ketien ru ni ai nak tang da on look lang I don't know IDK kum tu ngatieng yo ka ja na ketien juni ru te nomor ba nila amelien pelat ke ni ke syap form te ngidan kam si siya bentip ya ka telong na jong ngidan kam bentip ya ka naengi wan naengi ki long ki tenrai jongi ngidan kam bentip bah ke jing kodor kita ki kenuk kita ki jing wa jong pi hang te baro kidan la ka jong ke jing mot hang te but kidang bun bah ki ek bangi de ban le ban penne namar pindah keli khna manta kim tip ke jing tigi ko hang te badan ki badan different shape ka nam ta ke namar ni berkhat achievement len ke machine ki so ke ba ki le ki nong menshwa ke nong ke ba shomkun ka ba kuat in fact ngas ngo ba kini ki jing kirom pendan kam ki kra ki ba wa hang te ka kya jing mot ba ka pen iba in fact mentala dengi pek ni pendan kam de kini ki mixi de ki so kalau along advance ke por nim don por ne nginda pakhat pa ka jing kuat ke jing subate ni don kam hi ben pendan kam de ki jai you know ki tiar ki bangi don ha ki por hendai namar ka jing kuat jing suba jing pen kuat na dong syadong ka idea jong ka long ba ni ka bangi nang ngap itu ki tien benang batai iba tai scam kawan ra singi ba kariti dostor jangi ke iba pi reflect hang tai ka pen i kariti dostor jangi ki ngai la dir ngam dok tip kerteng han re kidan ki iba pi wa ang ti rot kilong hakipor kenya kipor ki penun kami ki tung la bon ki jing ki bangile ngi la do umdon kita ki long term men ro umdon syo bon ngi mentang la isyong nuclear family ngim don syo kata ka ban syong lang bat ki rang ba ki ban transfer ki information si kun ki sio ye be kam bon ngi ngim don por si ban batai wat de ka jing long kha long man ru kala long sting thau ngi don ka jing maru ba yo poi kha man si kor si jai tika tar ngi don ha ka jing ear but nga kermen ba kan ni ka sinong jong pi ka dang dan ka ta jing syong scam kapen iba pidang ya don ngi ka ta jing buram ka tan rai tinga kermen ba kan ni ki ruti dostol jing ken transfer lan ni ken pin yai teng ye kan ni ka jing hikai ye ka jing nong jing man jungi sekini ki generation ki ban one but kumju ru bangi de ban buram ya laki jong naman nila do ya kata ni ip mo ni pun na fi te bing ni istna ban ip kum ki parengi kat ki bedang la ban ip len ban bot din ni king is nga bakila long advance ndrei fin dalit so ki snong dang menen ni dang wana sora ngai i to ki yeng ki sem ki jom ki presyo to ki dang long i dai kam to ti dan ni te men seems ai nomor ba ka dang ne ka to ka jing long jong ni but
Kajingbun kijingjia accident kali keleng ki benta jong ke Jylla kenthup ye ka badang shujia shen ye ki arngut ki Samla pule na skul ba NEHU kala pelong yu nong ai buit ka tanat ka kot ka khia ba mirul bonds em ban kentu ye ki nong nya kali bekin kiar katla kat yai na ka bedi buai haba kinya kali kum unong mi khmat pat ba na nongpo constituency uba mirul bon ulo ongru ba kedai ka kamram jong baro ban donlang ka jingkit kli knang ba ka yat ka yeng haki surok kali kan long ka basngan ya baro
very important issue in which we as a citizen we have to be very serious. From time and again in various talk shows also I have been raising this issue and through various platforms where I have a privilege to interact with the public also, I always appeal to the general people, the drivers, be it private vehicle, be it local taxi, be it two-wheeler driver, in which we have to be very careful. Number one, don't drink and drive. The NEHU case, we certainly 100% sure that the one who drives is not in a condition in which he can drive properly. Number two is that we have to understand the vehicle we drive, whether it is in good condition or not. Maybe something wrong with the brake. If the vehicle brake fails, then it is the duty of the owner to see and check properly in due course of time. Number three is that we have to understand that the driver who drives a vehicle is carrying with someone, with so many lives. This is a bus, this is a taxi. So we have to be very careful, wearing seat belt, and then to understand that the condition of the vehicle is fine. And very importantly is that to drink during driving we have to avoid. As well as for the two-wheelers, wearing helmet, and we should not drive too fast. It is very alarming the way we youth driving two-wheelers as well as vehicles. So it is the concern of each and everyone that we should understand that we have to avoid ourselves from accident, as well as we have to avoid troubling others also by doing such kind of an act. So my appeal to all the fellow citizens, those who drive, be it a vehicle or two-wheeler, be responsible, and we have to follow as per the Motor Vehicle Act is there. Police and the Transport Department, time and again, they are doing checking. They are doing a very good job. And you have seen recently, hats off to the police of Ribhoi Police under the leadership of the Superintendent of Police as well as additional SP Traffic for the tremendous job that they have done. This is a kind of awareness creating, and the people has to learn and they have to understand the consequences. And when we talk about this issue, we had a meeting with the Superintendent of Police Ribhoi District, On the 27th, next week, 27th of November, we'll have an awareness program in my constituency in Umden, and where we'll have a mock drill also from the police department. They will show for safety, security, and to abide by the law, by the certain issues are there that as a driver we have to understand. So my appeal to the general public of the state is that whenever we drive, even in a national highway or even in state road or village road also, we have to be very careful.
Kata masa cherry blossom mentau snem, kala kring palat 100% ki briu ne ki wei pat ki Jylla, bat ru ne ki wei kiri. Ban wan le kemen lang haki arsengi, haki rinsan le kemen kabalawan pensyong shit di kinong ruai bapau nam na keleng ka perthai. Kat kum ka jinget hu da unong ai buat ke sorkar uba poling do uloong. Bakum kini ki lempung ki pelila ru ikinong ruai nong tem na ka Jylla ban yo mi rinsan lang hakate ka program ka bahe hapadeng ki pau hajar ngut ki pat ba. Habajuba pat halor ka jing thnum ki pat ba halor ka dheng kali hakini kisngi uba pol uloong bekindon bet ki bawa daw la dele kumno ru wat la ka dheng kali ka don bet wat hakiwe kisngi bamdon cherry blossom.
Yes, Cherry Blossom was a resounding success. The fact that we could draw over close to 65% of the attendees were from outside Meghalaya. That itself is a pointer to the growing popularity of the festival. And we have also been able to provide an international platform to local bands, Khasi Bloods, Meba, Ophelia, all of these were part and of the lineup. So we've done justice to local artists. Well, traffic congestion will remain a part of Shillong's problem unless we expand and move to the new township. It does not only happen during the 2 days of Cherry Blossom. You will always have critics for whatever you do and for whatever you don't do.
Kum shibenta nagathong ban penne pensa ya ka jingjar ngam jong ka May Mariang ko office district sports Ribhoy district ha ka jing snok tilang ko office u deputy commissioner kala pelong ya ka program pensyai pat ba halor ka jingdon kam bakongsan ban yo e ka Mariang ka bakhoit basuba ka balatip kum ka chief minister's youth for green campaign movement arjar arpusan. Ye kini ka program lasdang de kajingyat rally de ki bicycle bike campaign ride na do Indo Hall Sidon hadu nongpo shopping complex. Hakini ka program la shiminta de kinongilam ba ki dekot ka Kinhon Ribhoy Cycling Association. Ha kajingilang pensyai pat ba kini ka jaka la shiminta lang de kinongilam ka nongpo town committee ki Samla pule lembat ki pat ba kini ka nongpa district. Kajing temu jo kini ka green campaign movement kadai ka thong jong menteri rang ba ka Jylla ban penslur ya ki pat ba ban sumar yada bat kershan ya Mariang da ka jingle khot ban wanra ka jingkala ha ki saudong saukun bengi eman kesngi halasnong lathau lahikai ban penduna ka jingpenmi ki jabo ban thung bat sumar ya ki ding ki sit ban kunai ha ka jing pendon kam ya ka boarding electric bat ru ban numpen sep ethan ya ka umpam umdi. Hakini kesngi la donlang ke pradhan assistant commissioner Ribhoy district ba Bobby L Nongbet DSO ka kong Rida Lindem PTI ki Samla pule ke Kinhon kinongnya cycle na Ribhoy bat kilong kemilong kapa.
Is that in this rapid surge of development, we can see that climate change is happening for real. So there's a risk that the temperature of the earth has already increased by 2 degrees. The risk of global warming is actually near. We can see the sudden landslides, the floods, and everything which has really put the human life at risk. So now suddenly this, therefore at the international levels and everywhere this thing of climate change and suddenly we all have started taking actions because we have realized that if we don't act now, then maybe our future generation, they have to suffer for us. So therefore, it's very important that that not only the government, but we as a citizen, we take the responsibility and we act responsibly to save our environment. So if we know, we have already launched a campaign that is Lifestyle for Environment movement at the national level. So where each and every individual has to ensure that through their responsible behavior, they are protecting the Mother Earth. So basically replicating that, in the state we have launched a green campaign movement, which is basically awareness for our environment. So we have to make sure that first of all we are that whatever we are already having, that we have to conserve. So please, we can start from small actions in our daily. For example, we can ensure that we are saving water, we are not wasting water, we are saving electricity. So whenever we don't require, we can always switch off the lights, the fans. So from these small things, we can actually make a huge impact. If each and every one of us make small changes in their day-to-day lifestyle, we can really create a huge impact collectively. So from today, we should always make sure that we are not using plastics. We are always using recyclable things. We can also ensure that we are not wasting water, and we are not cutting down trees. We can make a resolution that every year we are planting one tree and we are taking care of that particular tree. So these small things I would like to really urge each and every one of us to make sure that we really do, and I'm really sure that if each and every one of us will ensure, we will definitely achieve the goal. And
reminds us that protecting our environment begins with us. Under the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister, we come together as youth to plant, to clean, and to care for our surroundings. Every small action, say it's saving water, reducing waste, or planting a tree, creates a big impact. Let us lead by example and inspire others to join. I won't take too much time again, short and sweet. Together, let us build a
But dakini ki Khubor ngilapoi shikabakut tat hadu pengnation biang kublai shibot.